Hello guys, welcome to Software Design. Today we want to teach you how you can extend your background in Coreldraw. And to extend your background, this is a square background which we extended to a portrait background like this. And so let's dive in straight into the tutorial. First, you create your shape. It can be a rectangle. For this is a rectangle. So let's power click this image in, power click like this, double click, and then you are in. So readjust, make your readjustment for it to flow around like this. Then from this readjustment, you see that there is space up here and there is space down here. So what comes to your mind is make another selection of a shape. Then you want to we want to extend this particular part from here to fill up the space, and then we can also extend, we'll cut off from here. That is the idea, to cut off this portion here and then extend it down so that it will fill up whatever you want to print on, or it will meet the size of whatever you want to enlarge on. So basically you come down a bit, then press shift on your keyboard and then select the image. Also click on the image like this and then come to intersect. When you click on intersect, you see the projection, it selects it, and then you can hold from there and drag like this. That is how we achieved this level. From here we dragged it and then double click again, go into the power click, and then let's bring it down. And then from here we are going to do the same to the image. Then that is, you come here, let's bring cut from here, and then select it and press shift and click on the image and then click on intersect and then bring it down. Then from here drag it downwards like this and then readjust this. This is how we succeeded in making this extension a bit better. So from here you have your image, you can drag it, finish, and then we have achieved this image like this, which you can use for your enlargement or photo enlargement, or you want to frame it depending on the nature of how you want to use it. So thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to Software Design for more tutorials.